So the very next chapter is data types. In order to explain data types, we will be doing, or we will be taking rather, an example. Let's see that example. Suppose we are having three shapes: a rectangle, a triangle, and a circle. And apparently we are having three shapes here as well: a circle, a rectangle, and a triangle. Now basically these are the home. This triangle, rectangle, and the circle are the homes, and this needs to go back to the respective home. So now you have to tell me which shape will be going to which home. Yes, the circle will be going to home number 3. The rectangle will be going to home number 1. And the triangle will be going to home number 2. What we understand is that there is a specific type for each and every objects that we are seeing below, that is the shapes here, which can go to a particular shape only. They can't fit in different types of shapes. The same concept is applied in Java as well. Let's see it in depth. So there are mainly 5 kinds of data types that we use in Java. There are more as well. We will be discussing it slowly. But these are primitive data types. What are primitive data types? Data types which are already present in Java. And class is a user defined data types. We will be discussing that in a different or a separate video. Now we need to consider, or we need to see something. Since we are having different kinds of homes or different types of homes, there has to be different types of people who are allowed to get into the homes. Exactly right. So in basically int type, we can store integers like 5, 6, 7. In float, we basically store decimals like 1.5, 2.5. In characters, we store alphabets, vowels, anything that is in single quotes and comprised of only one Unicode or only one thing. String, we can basically store multiple characters in it. For example, a name of a student. And then we can even store boolean data types as well, such as true or false. Now suppose I have a home like this, and in my home I basically can afford 4 pupils to stay. What happens if I insert another people in it? It overloads and it can't take any more people, right? So what is the solution? Solution is I need a bigger home like this. Then I can afford more than 4 people in my house, right? Exactly. Similarly, we have sizes for this, like int is basic int 4 bytes, float 4 bytes, character 1 byte. Now something to note is that what is a byte exactly? I hope you remember that chart, right? But to ensure, 0 and 1 is 1 bit, 0 is 1 bit, 1 is 1 bit actually, 8 is 1 byte, 8 bits comprise of 1 byte. Similarly, 4 bits comprise of 1 nibble, then 1024 bytes comprise of 1 kilobyte, 1024 kilobyte is 1 megabyte, 1024 megabyte is 1 gigabyte. So if the size of int is basically 4 bytes, what is the largest number we can store? We can store a minimum and a maximum of this. But what happens if I have a number which is more than this? We can actually be storing this bigger number. Video. Thank you.